how do we get on board? How do you register? Now, there are a couple of options and a couple of issues. I will say that the best way to go about registering on mobile is to go ahead and get your token pocket. That's the blue, if you download it from the, Google Play Store or from the iOS, because that is available on both iOS and, Google Play or Android devices. Use that. Okay, that's the best way to interact with the contract. To get registered, and you can also interact with the contract right away. All right. I did a test example on my own phone, so I know it works. All right. So do that if you want to do mobile. In fact, let me go ahead and type it in here so y'all know what it looks like, and show you just a quick glimpse visually of what's happening. All right. So that's Token Pocket. You can get it for mobile and desktop, but again, for mobile, this is what it's going to look like, and it works fantastically. All right. So you just go ahead. You would click up on this to create a wallet, and it'll give you a list of wallets to create. You're going to create a Tron wallet, and then it'll ask you to put in a password, and then it'll ask you to confirm that password, and then effectively the wallet is open and ready to go. And of course, you will need to fund it. All right. Now there's a variety of ways to fund. You can go to Changelly.com. You can use a credit card to purchase your crypto, and then just have it sent into your wallet. So there's that. Let me not go too far into it. Now, if you're on PC, I recommend having your Tron link. All right, so I already got my Tron link set and ret, but we'll put it in here so people know what Tron link is. .org. Now, again, this is available for both mobile and desktop, but it seems to be giving people problems when it comes right now with interacting with Forsage. So until they get that smoothed out, you want to go ahead and get the Chrome extension, and just like MetaMask, it'll end up right up here right under the tabs. As you can see, when you click on that, you'll be able to find that it shows you your, hang on a second, that it'll list, as you can see, what you got in the wallet and so on and so forth. All right, but this is, again, you will want to have this on PC to interact with the contract. All right.